Hello guys, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Data Loader. So what is a Data Loader? It is a powerful data management tool provided by Salesforce that allows users to perform bulk operations such as insert, update, upsert, delete, export and export all records. It is ideal for handling large data volumes and offers flexibility in mapping fields between Salesforce objects and data files. It also provides the scalability and functionality required for high volume data management in Salesforce, making it an essential tool for system migrations, backups, and advanced operations. It is a more powerful tool compared to the data import wizard and can handle large volume of data. Key features of Data Loader: user-friendly interface. It means it provides both graphical user interface and command line interfaces for easy interaction. Bulk data operations, so it performs mass data manipulation for thousands or millions of records. Flexible data mapping, it let us map fields between Salesforce objects and CSV files. Error logging, it generates detailed error files for records that fail during processing. Export and backup, it retrieves data for analysis or create backups. Support complex operations. It is ideal for scenarios like upserts or complex field updates. Pros and cons of using Data Loader. So what are the pros of using Data Loader? Efficiency. So it handles thousands of records quickly and accurately. Flexibility. It allows mapping custom fields if needed. Automation. It uses command line operations, enable automating the process. Error tracking. It provides error files to verify the data. Next, what are the cons of using Data Loader? No real-time integration. Data Loader is a standalone tool for batch operations. It cannot be used for real-time data integration or synchronization between systems. Business needing continuous updates must rely on APIs. Limited user interface functionality. So the user interface is basic and less interactive compared to other Salesforce tools like the data import wizard. Non-technical users may find it challenging to use without proper training. No automation in GUI mode. Data Loader does not support scheduled or automated data operations in the graphical user interface mode. Automating data loader operations require command line interface which can be complex to set up. Dependency on field mapping. User needs to manually map fields between Salesforce objects and the CSV files. Errors in mapping can lead to incorrect updates or failed imports. So today's assignment, a company migrates from legacy system to Salesforce and need to update the phone number of 10 million lead records based on the new data. So in the legacy system they are having a huge number of data or records. That records the phone number field they want to update in the Salesforce. So to resolve this scenario, we have to prepare the data file and export the current lead data using the data loader. So to resolve this scenario, we have to prepare data file and export the current lead data using the data loader in the Salesforce. So here we are going to update the legacy phone number for the lead records by the new number in the Salesforce. So first we need to prepare the data, then we are going to use the data loader for updating the records. So let's do this. So let's log into our Salesforce account by providing the credentials. Hit the login button. Also we need to create an Excel file. So let's create an Excel file. Click Excel. So here we are seeing a blank file. So these records we had imported yesterday by using the data import wizard in the lead object. So today we are going to update the phone number of these both the records, and also we have to verify that is the phone number is updated or not. So suppose these records are coming from legacy system, so they are having some different phone number, and for now the phone number is updated. So we had prepared a sheet. In that sheet there is updated phone number. So this sheet we are going to update by using the data loader. So first let's update the phone number. So here I am going with updated phone number. So and in the next record I am going to provide. So I had modified both the phone number. Also we have to save this file with CSV extension. So here I am going to provide the name phone update using data loader. And here we have to take care like save as type should be in CSV format. So comma delimited. If it is not in this type, it is not going to support or import or update into the Salesforce. So click save. So we had created the Excel file. Now again coming back to our Salesforce account. So here in the URL I am going to type dataloader.io. So this is dataloader.io. The data loader for Salesforce. Use the most popular data loader for Salesforce to quickly and securely import, export and delete unlimited amounts of data for your enterprise. Get started quickly and in a simple way. So if I am scrolling down, we are seeing it is simple and secure, intelligent data mapping. So we no need to worry about the data mapping. It's getting connected. It is also scheduling it. So let's log in with this data loader. So log in with Salesforce. So here log in with Salesforce. I have a custom Salesforce domain. So environment production. Also we can go with sandbox. So for now we are going with production, means our user account is getting treated like production. So let's log in. So here by our username and password we are just going to log in with data dataloader.io. So here it is prompting us for allowing the access. So let's allow. So here at the right side we are seeing our username is populating. Beside that we are seeing the help center info, and at the left hand side dataloader.io new task and upgrade. So if I am clicking on new task, we are able to see import, export and delete. So by using the data loader, we can perform any one of them, like importing the data or exporting the data, or even we can delete the data as well. So it's taking a little bit of time to loading. So as per our assignment, we have to import the data. So let's click on import. So here we are seeing the insert, connection and object. So connection is our username. It is treating as a production. Then operation, what operation we are going to perform? Insert or upsert or update. So as per our scenario, we are performing insert operation. So which object we are going with? So for lead object, so just choose the lead, and from here we need to click on next. So next it is prompting us to upload the CSV file. So it is mandatory to upload the CSV file. So when we are preparing the data in Excel file, that Excel file we have to save with .csv format or .csv type. So let's upload the data what we had created in our Excel file. So from here we have to choose our file at the location, click open. So it is uploading, and here it is saying that source header, sample header and Salesforce fields. So this is source, means from the Excel file it is taking, and this is the sample data what it is going to upload, and these are the Salesforce fields. So name is there. So in the Salesforce we have to map this field with name. So either we can go with first name or last name, but for the lead last name is required, so we have to map with last name. So it is mapped. Then email is mapped with email, company is mapped with company, phone is mapped with phone, and lead source is mapped with lead source in the Salesforce object. So mapped, all fields are mapped, unmapped. So there is no field to unmapped. So again I am clicking on all, and then I am going to click on next. So before clicking on next, let's verify the lead records. So again coming back to our org. So here in the app launcher I am going to type leads. So right click, open link in new tab. So these are the leads what we had uploaded yesterday. So let's see that both the leads. So all open leads. So yesterday we had imported these two leads, Jane Smith and John Doe. So for this, let's verify the phone number. So let's modify the select fields to display. Also I am going to add the phone number from the left hand side. I am going to add this phone. So this phone field I am making it at the top. So click save. So for these two records, Jane Smith and John Doe, we are able to see the phone number is 123 456 7890, and for Jane Smith 987 654 3210. So after updating these leads, let's see is the phone number is updated for these two leads or not. So again coming back to our data loader. So now I am going to click on next. So here it's displaying the summary. Name is lead insert. Connection is our account name. Object is lead. Type is import. Row, it is going to affect two rows. Schedule task, no. API mode, use batch API with 200 records per request. So by default it is taking 200 records. Send me the results via email. So I am not going to check this one. Here I am going to click save and run. So this will alter your Salesforce data. Are you sure you want to proceed? Yes. So here it's running. So it's done. So it's done. Here we are seeing the green check mark and run task. This is the number. To success means both the records is updated. Zero errors. We are not getting any errors. So let's cross verify with our data. So let's refresh the page. So here we are able to see that Jane Smith, this record, and John Doe, this record has been updated. So this data loader is not updated that particular records, it has created the records. So as we had chosen the insert option from there, so it had inserted both the records not updated. So this is our previous record and this is our new record. So if we had chosen from there update, so in that case it is going to update the particular records. So it's done. Thank you.